Hi everyone! We understand that clear communication and transparency are key. Today I'm excited to show you how to make Figma data more digestible for everyone. First, let's add our Figma widget. You will need a personal access token, easily generated in your Figma profile settings. Ensure the token scope is set to read only for file content and write for comments. After setting the necessary permissions, copy the token into the widget's input field. Next, we need the Figma file ID. You can find it in the file's URL. Simply click the Share button in Figma, copy the URL, and locate the ID after the file subdirectory. With the data fetched, our widget displays the Figma file name and activity graph. The graph provides a weekly overview of edits, comments, and changes to components, offering valuable insights into the collaboration dynamics and areas for potential improvement. Below the graph, you will find general stats like the number of components in your file and the count of detached components. These insights are instrumental in understanding how collaboration on the Figma file is progressing, and they can help identify areas for improvement, ultimately boosting the adoption of the design system. Farther down, in the Components panel, you can filter through all components in your Figma file. For added convenience, select a component and use the Open in Figma button to go directly to it in Figma. On the right side of the widget, you will find recent comments from your Figma file. These can be filtered by author or date range, simplifying navigation and response to comments. And here's a great feature. You can respond to comments directly from the Figma widget. Just click the Answer button, type your message, and you're done. Our Figma widget stays up to date by automatically fetching data. If needed, you can manually refresh the data with the icon button at the top right corner. And there's more. We understand the importance of relevant information, so we have introduced custom widgets. You can now choose which information is most critical to you and customize the display according to your preferences. We hope you find this feature useful. If you have any suggestions for improvement, please use the feedback widget from the main menu bar or leave a comment below. We value your input. That's it for today's session. We hope this enhances your experience with our design tools. Stay tuned for more updates and tips.